Hello, my little turtle doves. How's it all going? Well, today, my girlfriend wants me to make a French coin. You didn't know I could speak French, did you? Citron, onions. Okay, enough of that shit. Yeah, this is a 1975 Francs coin. I want to use a half-inch punch. And I need, what do I need? I don't know. What's happening? What's it all about? What's it all about? Screaming and a shout. Don't ask me, cause I don't know. Oh, there's a tinsel there in the frame. What do you reckon? Right, Big Bertha. That went through. If there's any French people watching, I'm sorry. But then again, am I sorry? Because you make citron, and I have one, and it's absolute pants. I'll never own another citron while I'm breathing. Biggest piece of rubbish. Right. Okie dokie. Yep, I still don't have my swarf catcher. This is Christy Burr. This is just deburring the tool. So, what do you think of yesterday's video? You going to go for a ring? What coin do you want? Oh, someone says a silver eagle. I'm just going to laugh. Because you ain't going to get one. Okay. Unless you want to send me a silver eagle. I do have some silver eagles. I don't trust banks at all. I have enough money in my bank for a few months and that's it. Right. One Frenchy coin. So, let's show it a bit of love with the fire starter. This is called annealing. That took some heating up. Please don't be made of stainless steel. I can't go through that today. Right. So, obviously this is going to be sunny side up on the ring. Does that fit? No. Yes. Right. So, this goes face down. There's not a lot going on there. Make sure it's nice and level-ish. And let's go over to the one and only Big Bad Red. No, it's not stainless. But it moved a little bit. still got a head cold. I don't feel shit. It's just like my head and my blown nose and my breathing is all blocked up. I don't know. Who do you turn to? Right, a bit of the old kitchen roll. And now we go over to our best tool in the toolbox, spike. And it does what it says on the box. It stretches your ring. Oh, this is the force is strong in this coin. Oh. Yeah, the kitchen rod protects the inside of the coin. Oh, that went a bit sad. Did I split it? Did I split my ring? No. Let's give it a bit more. How's that looking? Focus, please. We need to go a bit more. I think I'll give it a bit more love with Bernie, because these walls are getting a bit thin. Oh, come on. I mean, my coin giveaway that I'm doing, if you don't want the coin for yourself, you can always have it made for somebody else, you know. I'm doing it for Saturday, so keep them comments coming. Comments, all I want is what coin you want. If you want to leave another type of comment as well, please do. If you don't want to leave a comment, then I'll tell you, you don't have to leave a comment, really, do you? Right, let's show it a bit more love. I was supposed to go and see Michael Monroe. He's a Finnish rock singer. But he fell down one of his last gigs and broke some ribs, so it's been cancelled till March. He's a star player, Michael Monroe. Good band. He had a spring chicken, but by God, man, he kicks ass. Any of you guys out there into rock and roll? This is a big ring. Right. Now, we want to straighten these walls out. So will I get this in here a little bit? I do like using my 17-degree dies to start this game. Let's go to the bottom end of spike. Quite a bit more to do. little bit of coconut oil. Oops, did that go too far? No, I don't think it did. Let me have a look with my eye. Because this camera sketch, because I look at a monitor, it's right, it's a lot bigger. I think it's a touch the other way. And you think it's good, and then when you look at it with your eye, it's sad. It looks straight. Yeah, but it's quite a big lip on the inside. That's got to come out. If in doubt, cut it out. Yeah, if you don't cut it out, it's uncomfortable to wear, and it gives a false sizing of the ring, because you've got that 1/2 mil protruding, which makes the ring smaller, but it's only smaller by that little tiny 1/2 mil band. Once you cut that out, the whole ring is another size larger sometimes. It will be on this coin because it's there's a lot to cut out. I want to thank my late subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, what the hell are you doing? The little button there. Hit it. And you're subscribed. If you've got any wants, thoughts, ideas, drop them in the comments. And check out my web shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there are in EU size, but I can adjust them up or down. You can even send me your own coins. I don't think I've said this on a video for quite some time. God, there's quite a bit in here. The force is strong in this coin. Stop it. Bit more. That's pretty good. Oh, pretty good. It's perfect. Right. Here she is, the one and only Kate Bush. This is going to also have the Edwin look. I'm waiting for somebody in the comments to say, what's the Edwin look? Well, you should have been subscribed a bit earlier, shouldn't you? Or watched the videos a bit earlier. Am I ever going to tell anybody what the Edwin look is? Again? No, I'm not. Keep you guessing. I'd like to be able to do this by hand, but my left hand says no. Motorcycles. Motorcycles and alcohol when you're 17, 18 don't really work well. But we've all been there. We've all done the silly things. I wouldn't change it for the world, what I used to do. Or what I was. Right, here we go. One ring. Nice, eh? Well, that's why you use kitchen roll on the inside. It protects you loosen the detail from the inside of the ring. And on the inside it says here, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so. And thank you. And on this side it says, I'd appreciate it if you used to hit the like button. 1970 times, okay? Right, guys and girls, let's check out the size. I only have my Yankee Doodle magic wand. Bloody, that's a big ring. Size 13. I can make them smaller. Does it fit me? No. That's a bit tight. What about this hand? Yeah, my sad hand, it fits. My left hand's a lot weaker. Right, folks. Thanks for watching. And catch you later. Have a good one. Toby, bye-bye.